Well, we've gotten some scrap on the trailer. A whole bunch of different things, and since the post office is closed today, I think I'm going to work on putting some more on here. Well, that looks like a pretty good load. So we'll take that in, and well, we're on our way to the scrap yard. You can see in the back out the window, got quite a bit of load on there. I can tell by the amount of weight the truck's pulling that it feels like a pretty good load. Looks like our weigh-in weight is 92.20. $69.20. That will go with the cashier's office. Well, here's the results of that load. It's dropped a little bit. The other day when I brought some in, it was $145 a ton, and the price is down to $110 a net ton. So still made $127 for that load. So that wasn't too bad for a morning's work. Alright, well, if you want to see more scrapping videos, I have a few in my older videos. And otherwise, if you like these kind of videos, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. So, surprise bonus footage. I stopped at the auction house to pick up this chest freezer, and Steve gifted me with a whole bunch of more scrap. So I'm gonna make a run back to the scrap yard with this and pick up a couple more dollars. Well, that extra little scrap was a nice surprise. Made another $35 on that load there. Hi guys. Hi. Time for a Goodwill haul. Hi. Time for another picking video. Hi guys.